raining, so I didn't record this morning. This one. Look at her go. What are you doing? What you doing, cutie? Look at that cute face. Oh, there's a yawn. They were just drinking together, but this camera's too slow. Good girls. You okay, baby? She got a little sick on her water this morning. She drank real fast and then she puked up a little water. But I think she's okay. She's been okay the rest of the day. Aside from being very aggressively playful. Windy this afternoon, but the rain has let off. So, come on, come on. Run, run, run. So, we're walking. Hopefully we have a window here we can get through. Ooh, I stepped in some kind of puddle. Come on. So we don't get rained on.